Hey everyone, today we're taking a look at a 2-bedroom, 2-bath manufactured home at 6709 Old Egg Harbor Road in Harbor Crossings. Harbor Crossings is a land lease community based in Egg Harbor Township, New Jersey. So first we'll take a quick look around the outside of this house. This house comes equipped with outside water and electric. You can see as we come around, right here we have an outlet with the outside electric. Got white shutters on this house. This is the window to the second bedroom. There's a little bit of landscaping that we still have yet to finish, but the rest of the house is completely finished. There you can see the outside water and the other outside electric. We've got these two opposing staircases. So we'll go up the front. You can see this house has a nice little porch here. Here's what it looks like from the front door. Now we'll take a look inside. So this is the living room right here. It's pretty wide. You also have a little bit of a divider between this living room area and then the kitchen over there. And then I really like that in that divider area, right past the kitchen, you can see that there is a sort of space that you could very easily put a dining table. Here we have the island, and we'll see on the other side of the island it actually comes with cabinets. Here is the fridge. This is side-by-side refrigerator and freezer. Here's the dishwasher. And all the appliances in this house come with a warranty through the manufacturer. We've got the white cabinets, which adjust with adjustable shelves inside. The kitchen faucet, and there's an extendable nozzle there. You have the microwave. Stove oven combination. central air conditioning. This is the first bedroom. Really spacious in here. The windows also bring in a ton of light in this house. Go take a look at the closet. Got 2 extra screens in there for you. This is the data plate, which comes with all the information about the house. And here's the Energy Star certification. Now we'll go take a look at the bathroom. Got side-by-side sinks. Here's the toilet. And this is that window that I talked about before. Right there you have double bypass doors for the shower. It's got 2 seats in there. Right across you have a closet, so be perfect place to keep your towels. There's another window right here. Now we'll go take a look at the second bedroom. This is the second bathroom. This one has a bathtub. And it's got a little window above to bring a bit more light in here.
In Edison Mobile Estates, Harbor Crossings, and Carteret Mobile Park. This is my husband, my nephew, and my son. This is our amazing crew. Everyone's on board to build you the most beautiful manufactured home. This is our maintenance team in Harbor Crossings. This is our construction team. Our community is a beautiful, safe location for having a home, making it affordable. Harbor Crossings pays the real estate taxes, so you're leasing the land, and we're building beautiful manufactured homes. This is my husband and myself. This is our office fronting Black Horse Turnpike. You can email us for an appointment. We see everybody by appointment only. This is our office. We have everybody go to the website where all the explanations, the process, and the available homes are listed. We're really proud of our location. We're in the downtown Egg Harbor Township area, just about to be redeveloped, which is called the Cardiff redevelopment, and it's going to encompass the whole area in which we are located, and they'll be adding more sidewalks and better access to stores on the other side where the old Boscov's and the Harbor Square is located. And it's a very exciting time to be in Egg Harbor Township. We're minutes from the beaches and great locations, so come check us out. We can't wait to hear from you. There's our website. That's where you start.